Technology issues, fake news and oversharing, made and presented by Paige Lewis. What exactly is fake news? People creating articles that look real for tricking others into thinking one way or another. Another word for that is yellow journalism. It's a term for an article that had little to no research before writing. Sites like Facebook are already on top of fake news and will often label or warn their users. How it affects. Fake news misinforms people into thinking they found a trusted site just to be fed lies. Often people are affected. People like the president or other government officials are always in the spotlight to these fake news articles. You might find yourself asking how to tell real from fake. Often, fake sites will have .co after their URL. The credible websites will not have ads, so if the website has ads, it's a clear indication. And then, of course, obvious red flags like fake pictures and outrageous titles. What is oversharing? Oversharing is giving too much insight of what goes on in someone's personal life or business. Oftentimes, confidential government information is leaked because of people sharing what they shouldn't, which gives hackers and followers a clear shot. How is it dangerous? If given to the wrong people, information could be shared, creating rumors or fake news about others. Priceless information could be found. Possible outcomes for personal life are social security numbers being leaked or card and banking information being put out into the world. On a more worldwide scale, confidential government tactics could be given out or faked. How to tie the two together. By giving false information and opinionated statements onto other people or people relaying wrong information and getting the wrong idea into the world.